So hi, I'm Tom Mowat, I'm CEO of Vesta Smart Packaging. We're a new startup. We have the intention of helping manufacturers and consumers as well reduce the amount of plastic they're using in the provision of the products that form a big part of their daily lives. The core unit of a Vesta is actually the package itself. It is able to record its own content, to know when it's empty, and to automate, based on a series of algorithms we've built into our platform, a refill. So when people run out, they get to reorder before they even know they've run out. At the moment we're using ESP32 and a combination of sensors inside the packet. These combine to actually be able to allow a packet at a very low cost to transmit its content to our central system and make the recordings that we need. Longer term, we're unclear about whether or not we'll end up using Wi-Fi or a different kind of wireless technology such as IoT, but we're waiting to see on that. All of our software is completely in-house at the moment. We've built the platform and the back-end databases from scratch. As we move to a larger scale, we know we're going to need to use some kind of dedicated platform to handle the larger numbers of queries. What makes us unique at the moment is that actually there's nobody else out there like us. More specifically, we're looking to disrupt a very well-established business model, which is essentially the sell-through model made by manufacturers to give them a chance to work more directly with their end users and provide a better service. I think the biggest change will come when we start getting more data. We've built machine learning algorithms into our platform which will make it a powerful predictive engine once it's being used at scale. Once we've got the data in the platform, we'll be able to add a wide range of interesting new data-led services. Wireless transmission's our biggest technical challenge at the moment. We can use Wi-Fi, we can use Sigfox, we can use any number of a range of low-power, wide-area technologies. The big challenge for I think the whole industry at the moment is that there's no clear path that says it's going to be LTE-M or Sigfox or anybody else. What attracted us to Startupbootcamp in the first place is it's a specific IoT accelerator, and there's not very many of those around. It's great to be working in a cohort where everybody's got at least some shared challenges, and the access to a wide range of mentors, experts and coaches who are familiar with the type of business we want to do was one of the main reasons we applied.